Hey homies, today we're making Yu Xiang Eggplant, which translates to fish fragrant eggplant. It's a Sichuan-style spicy eggplant. Let's get started. Smash yourself some garlic. Just want to mince it, you know. I like to peel ginger with the spoon, but you can do whatever. A little mince here as well. Ginger minced. We're going to mince some pickled peppers now. I have canned jalapenos, the kind you could find at a taqueria. Alright, eggplant time. Find yourself some hefty Chinese eggplants. We're gonna want pretty chunky, so kind of like this size. You're gonna want to soak them in water while you're cutting them, because oxidation's no good. Despite the name, there's actually no fish in the sauce. According to folklore, there was a lady trying to make eggplant, but wanted to reuse a sauce that she normally used for fish. The sauce was really fragrant to mask the fishiness, but it turned out to be flames with eggplant. Moral of the story is to make your veggies hella dank so that you'll eat them. Eggplant done. Now we want to cut some scallion, separate the white and the green, usual protocol. Alright, key ingredient, Doubanjiang. This is Doubanjiang. It's a specific kind of Doubanjiang from this region called Pixian in Sichuan. I'll link where you can get this online or some substitutes, but it's a fermented fava bean paste that's spicy, rich in umami, major key to good Sichuan cooking. But wait, now we're going to up the savoriness even more with some ground pork. And we'll also need 3 tablespoons of black Chinese vinegar. Today we're going to start with a low flame and add some oil, ginger, garlic, add in the pickled peps, green onion, but just the whites, slap in some Doubanjiang, add some water, time to get vinegary. Add some sugar, then bring it to a boil. This is what we like to see, nice and reduced. Oh yeah. Actively stir to prevent stickage. Beautiful. She's ready. Oil things up again. Add in the ground pork. Break it up with your spatula and cook until thoroughly brown. It's it's time to get lost in the sauce, so add a tablespoon of Yu Xiang sauce. And another. Can't forget about the star of the show, the eggplant. Now we're going to add 2 more tablespoons of our Yu Xiang sauce. Add enough water to cover the eggplant. And now we wait till the water reduces. Basically, boil without a lid until all the liquid has reduced. On occasion, stir the eggplant to make sure nobody is stuck at the bottom. Grind up some Sichuan peppercorns. Best practice to add this before the pork, but it's never too late for fun. Texture check. That's it. That's the texture of eggplant we are looking for. And because I'm a salty boy, I added another teaspoon of the Yu Xiang. Sauce is thickened and we are done. Garnish with the greens of scallion.
Hey y'all, I'm gonna try the eggplant now. See what it's like. Oh, it's so hot. Hey y'all, I'm gonna try the eggplant now. Super tender, super soft. And the pork adds like a nice savoriness. It is optional though. But the Doubanjiang really gives it a nice kick, and then also it's kind of spicy. The Doubanjiang, it really has like a nice, really spicy umami flavor. The Sichuan peppercorns, you can start feeling the little tinglies. But overall, this dish is very well balanced in flavor and definitely worth trying. You can make a lot of the Yu Xiang sauce and just use it for other stir fries. With any sort of meat, veggies, it'd be delicious. Because you definitely make more than you need. Also, shout out to my friend Alex for giving me this apron. Pretty dang. I'm starving, so enjoy.